Bougainvillea is a popular flowering plant that can add a splash of color to your terrace garden. These plants are known for their vibrant and long lasting blooms that come in a variety of colors, including pink, red, orange, and purple. Bougainvillea thrives in hot and dry conditions, making them an ideal choice for terrace gardens in the summer months. With proper care, these plants can bloom throughout the season and provide a stunning backdrop for your outdoor space. Hibiscus is again a very popular flowering plant that is known for its stunning and large blooms in various colors such as red, pink, yellow, and white. It thrives in hot and humid weather, making it an ideal choice for terrace garden in the hottest month of May and June. These plants need well draining soil and regular watering to bloom continuously throughout the summer. They are also low maintenance and easy to grow, making them a perfect addition to any terrace garden. Adenium is also known as desert rose. It is a beautiful and hardy plant, and as the name suggests, it can very easily thrive in the hot and dry condition of summer months. It produces large and showy flowers in the shade of pink, red, white, and many other colors. Adeniums are easy to care for and can be grown in pots on a sunny terrace. With proper watering and fertilization, these plants can bloom throughout the summer months, adding a splash of color and beauty to any outer space. Portulaca is a low growing flowering plant that is perfect for filling the terrace with bright, colorful blooms during the hot months of May and June. It is also known as moss rose or sun rose and can withstand extreme heat and drought conditions, making it an ideal choice for a summer garden. So the flower came in a range of vibrant colors such as pink, red, yellow, orange and white and have a delicate almost paper-like texture. The plant can be grown in containers or hanging basket and requires very little maintenance, making it a popular choice among gardeners. Ixora is commonly known as jungle flame. It is a beautiful tropical plant that produces clusters of stunning, bright color flower. It thrives in hot and humid conditions, making it a perfect addition to any terrace garden during the scorching month of May and June. With proper care and maintenance, Ixora can bloom all year around, adding a vibrant burst of colors to your terrace garden. Mandevilla is a beautiful flowering plant that is perfect for hot and sunny terrace garden. It produces large trumpet-shaped flower in shade of pink, red and white that bloom continuously throughout the summer months. This plant prefers well-draining soil and requires regular watering and fertilizing to thrive. With its stunning blooms and easy maintenance, Mandevilla is a popular choice for adding color and beauty to terrace garden. Mandevilla is a popular choice for adding color and beauty to terrace gardens. Plumeria, also known as Plamora, is a tropical plant that is perfect for adding a touch of exotic beauty to your terrace garden. The plant produces beautiful, fragrant flowers in a variety of colors, including white, pink, yellow, and red. Plumeria is a low maintenance plant that thrives in hot and dry conditions, making it a great choice for the scorching sun of May and June. With its stunning bloom and easy care, this plant is sure to add to your garden. Vinca is also known as periwinkle. It is a beautiful flowering plant that thrives in hot and dry conditions. It blooms profusely with flower in shades of white, pink and purple and has a glossy green leaves that remain evergreen in warm climates. Vinca is easy to grow and maintain and can be grown in pots or hanging baskets. Jasmine is a beautiful and fragrant flowering plant that can add a touch of elegance and charm to any garden. It thrives in hot and sunny conditions, making it a great choice for summer months. The delicate white flowers of jasmine emit a sweet and soothing fragrance that can help to reduce stress and create a peaceful environment. Jasmine is also easy to care for and can be grown in pots. Crepe jasmine is a popular flowering plant that is well suited for terrace garden. It produces clusters of fragrant white flowers with a waxy texture that bloom throughout the summer months. Crepe jasmine is known for its ability to thrive in hot and humid conditions, making it a perfect choice for gardens in the scorching sun of May and June. It can be grown in pots or directly in grounds and is relatively low maintenance, making it a favorite among gardeners.